In the next episode of the Tragic Bhutanese, Esme could become the target of carefully planned accusation that forces her to fight not only envy but also public suspicion. Local man connected to the old family conflict might suddenly disappear after being seen arguing with Esme. Hours later, his vehicle is discovered abandoned and near dangerous cliffs, and evidence inside seems to connect directly to her. Adil instantly knows something is wrong, but authorities will just cannot ignore what they see. Esme refuses to run or hide. She insists on facing the accusation openly because she has spent too much of her life being judged according to other people's series, yet the situation become worse than an anonymous witness claims Asmi threatened the missing man. Someone is clearly building a case step by step. Amri Hala could use the moment to question whether Adil's love is blinding him, but Adil shocks her by saying he does not need evidence to know Asmi would not act this. Asmi appreciates his loyalty but warns him not to interfere illegally because any reckless move will threaten the trap this creates. An interesting reversal. Esme must keep Adil calm while fighting for herself. Eleni begins investigating the missing man's recent movements and discovered that he recently met someone shortly before confronting Esme. Or checks security footage nearby businesses and find only partial image of second person. The face cannot be seen, but the expensive vehicle matches one recently used by Volkov's son. When confronted, he denies involvement and even offers assistance, which makes him appear reasonable. Outsiders. Asmi stops Adil in front of everyone and tells Volkov's son that if he builds the trap, she will dismantle it without giving him the chows he wants. Later, Eleni discovered the strongest clue: the spot the missing man withdrew a large amount of money just before vanishing. The suggestion may be alive and participating in the setup. The search leads to an isolated house where Asmi insists on going with Eleni. Instead of waiting behind, they find signs that somebody stayed there recently, along a recording device containing part of the conversation between Asmi and the missing man. Full recording proves she never threatened him, but before they can take it back, the house catches fire. Mother and daughter of barely escape. In the final moment, someone watches from the trees and make a phone call. The voice on the other end tells him not to kill Asmi because destroying her reputation is more useful than killing her. The audience may then realize the enemy is pursuing a much larger plan. If Esme is publicly discredited, the fragile peace between the two families could collapse all over.